Hey you guys, I hope you're doing well. So today is Sunday. We are back at CVS for another start of a 2-week ad. So we have brand new deals starting this week. They're going to be good for 2 full weeks. The extra buck deals are going to be resetting next Sunday. So if you do an extra buck deal this week, you can do it again next week starting on next Sunday. And these deals are good through from October 12th through October 25th. And I, again, this week did not get any % off CRT. So if you got one, you're very lucky. CVS still likes you. And that means that you can use your % off email CRT and you can use it. And then the next day after you use it, you're going to get your spend CRT. If you did get a spend CRT, let me know what you got. I heard some people were also getting emailed 4 off 12s and different things like that. Just straight up getting emailed spend CRTs. I didn't get any, but if you got any of those, definitely let me know because I'm very curious. We have a handful of good deals going on this week. Nothing crazy, no crazy event going on like what we had last week with the hair care CRT, but still some good deals to pick up. And I'm going to be showing you guys a rolling extra buck scenario. So if you stay tuned towards the end of the video, I'll be going over all my receipts and showing you how I basically start with no extra bucks. You can start with no extra bucks if you want, and then you can roll extra bucks to get a bunch of stuff for really, really low out of pocket. As always, I'll have the Google Doc to all these deals linked in the description box down below, along with all of my rebate apps. So if you're interested in that, definitely check it out. It'll also be in the pinned comment. And with all that being said, let's get into the deals this week. Tums are buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck this week, and if you look at the checkout, you should be able to find the small packs. At my store, they're $3.49. So grabbing 2 of those totals $6.98. You'd pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, making 2 of them $1.98. Some of the more expensive Olay facial care is spend $30, get back an $8 extra buck. So you could grab one of the super serums. At my store, they're $41.29. And then you're going to clip and use a 10 off 40 coupon from the Coupon 24 app. And you'd be left to pay just $31.29. You get back your $8 extra buck, and that would make your final cost $23.29. But then we also have an Ibotta rebate for $7 back on the Olay super serum. So that's going to make this over $40 serum, just $16.29. And if you don't already have Ibotta, I'll have it linked in the description box and in the pinned comment down below. You'll get a $5 bonus if you sign up with that link. The Neutrogena acne products are spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab one of the patches at $10.49. As you can see, my store is sold out. Grab one and use a $3.50 off 1 digital coupon. You'd pay $6.99, get back your $5 extra buck, and that would make this just $1.99. Aveeno facial care is spend 25 and you get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab one of these positively radiant scrubs at $11.19, and you're going to pair that with one of the daily moisturizing face lotions at $13.79. And those two items would total $24.98. So with the 98% rule, you're close enough to $25 to get back your $5 extra buck. And you're going to use a 5 off 20 Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care CRT, a $5 off for the face lotion, and then a $3 off for the cleanser or scrub, making your final cost out of pocket $11.98, but then you'll get back the $5 extra buck from spending $25 before coupons, and that makes your final cost for over $25 worth of Aveeno products just $6.98. The Neutrogena facial care is spend $30, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab one of these Hydro Boost cleansers at $13.49, and then grab 2 of the makeup wipes, the purple ones that are $8.29 each, and that will total you $30.07. And you can use a 5 off 20 Neutrogena CRT, as well as a 4 off 2 for the wipes and a $2.50 off 1 for the cleanser or scrubs. And you'll be left to pay $18.57, getting back the $10 extra buck, and that's going to make your final cost for all 3 products just $8.57. Another way that you can do the deal is by grabbing one of the Hydro Boost moisturizers at $30.79. Again, use the 5 off 20 CRT and then a $5 digital for the moisturizer that includes the Hydro Boost, and you'd be left to pay $20.79, and then you get back your $10 extra buck, and that would make this over $30 moisturizer just $10.79. Nivea body wash are buy one get one free this week, so you can grab 2 of the men's at $5.99, making 2 of them $5.99, and then you can use a $2 digital coupon for one of them. You'd be left to pay $3.99, and then you can submit for a $2 manufacturer coupon rebate from the Inbox Dollars app for the one that you did not use a digital coupon for, making your final cost for 2 of them just $1.99 after the digital coupon and the Inbox Dollars rebate. And if you don't already have Inbox Dollars, I have it linked in the description box down below. I'll also have it in the pinned comment. You can sign up with that link and you'll get a $5 bonus on top of the $2 Nivea rebate. Nexxus hair care is spend $20, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of them priced at $12.79, totaling $25.58, and use an 8 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $17.58, get back your $10 extra buck, making 2 of them just $7.58. That's one way to do the deal, a really great final cost for 2 of those. Otherwise, you can grab the full size ones that are like $19.99, and we do have 700 Shopkick rebates back up to a limit of 3. So you could get 700 Shopkicks back for each one that you buy. 700 Shopkicks is like a little over $2 per shampoo or conditioner, so that's a decent deal. I'll have Shopkick linked in the description box down below. I think you get like a $2 bonus if you sign up with my link. If you like Dove hair care, we have a decent deal this week. They're $5.99 each, and buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So grab 2 totaling $11.98 and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $7.98, getting back that $4 extra buck makes 2 of them just $3.98 or just $1.99 each. Not the best deal, but it is a decent savings on Dove. Okay, the Venus and Gillette cartridges are spend $30, get back a $10 extra buck. It is the same extra buck deal as the P&G laundry deal we're going to cover later in the video. So what you can do is just grab one of the Venus refills above $30. So at my store, this 6 count of the 5 blade razor refills is $33.49. So grabbing that, you could use a 6 off 24 Venus razor CRT if you have it. One of my accounts has that because I bought a lot of Venus razors on this account. After that, and a $7 off 1 manufacturer digital coupon, you pay just $20.49, getting back your $10 extra buck. That would make a 6 count of razor refills for the 5 blades just $10.49, which is a really, really good deal. You could also do the same deal on the men's. This Gillette Skin Guard, it's an 8 count razor refill, is $37.49. With that, you can use an 8 off 35 Gillette CRT, and you can use a $7 off 1 digital coupon. So you'd be left to pay $22.49, getting back the $10 extra buck would make this just $12.49. Another way that you can do the deal is by grabbing 2 of these Gillette Fusion 5s at $23.69 because the cartridges are buy one, get one 50% off. So 2 of those would total $35.53. You could use the 8 off 35 Gillette CRT along with a $5 off 1 digital coupon for one of these. You'd pay $22.53, get back the $10 extra buck, and that would make 2 4-count refills just $12.53. The Gillette Foamy Shave Cream are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of these totaling $5.83. You'd pay that, get back your $4 extra buck, and that would make 2 of these just $1.83. Degree deodorant is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of these Degree deodorants, the Cool Rush at $6.29. 2 of those would total $9.43. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $6.43 and then get back your $4 extra buck. And that would make 2 of these just $2.43. And make sure to also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards because you should get some bonus points for buying Degree products, which is a Unilever brand, and Unilever usually does give some bonus points. Crest toothpaste are $4.99 and buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of them totaling $9.98 and use a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $6.98, getting back that $5 extra buck. And that would make 2 of them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. Another way that you can do the deal is by grabbing 4 of them totaling $19.96 since the extra buck deal is a limit of 2. And you can use a 6 off 3 digital coupon from the Coupon 24 app, a $1 off of 1 digital coupon from the Coupon 24 app, and then if you have it, a 4 off 20 Crest CRT, and you'd be left to pay $8.96. You'd earn back a total of $10 in extra bucks, and that would make 4 of these a $1.04 moneymaker. The Colgate toothpaste are on sale for $3.99 each, and buy 2, get back a $5 extra bucks. You can grab 2 totaling $7.98, and you can use a $2 off 1 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $5.98, and then you'll earn back your $5 extra buck, making 2 of these just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The Persil 34-ounce laundry detergents are on sale for $6.99, and we do have a high-value $3 off 1 digital coupon, so that would make one of these just $3.99, no extra bucks, deal required. Another deal that we have on laundry detergent is on Purex. They're on sale for $9.99 for the big ones. Buy one, get back a $4 extra buck. So grab one, you pay $9.99, get back your $4 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for a $2 rebate back, making your final cost just $3.99. Now let's get into our spend 30 get 10 on P&G laundry products. For this first scenario, you can grab one of the Tide laundry detergent at $12.99, one of the Gain Flings at $12.99, and one of the Dawn Easy Squeeze at $5.99. And these three items will total $31.97. You can use a 3-off-1 digital for the Tide, a 3-off-1 for the Gain, and then a $2 off one for the Dawn Easy Squeeze. And you'd be left to pay $23.97. Getting back the $10 extra buck would make all three products just $13.97. That's a great deal for all three products. And if you also are a member of pgbrandsaver.com, if you want, you can redeem your points for a $5 OTC payment. It is a payment like a gift card, not like a coupon, so you can combine it with digital coupons, even if you're using a digital coupon for each product. And that would lower your out-of-pocket cost even more. It's definitely a great week to use your $5 OTC payment. Another spend 30 get back a $10 extra buck scenario is grabbing one of the big Charmin on sale for $15.99, one of the smaller Charmin on sale for $9.99, and one of the Dawn Easy Squeeze at $5.99. These three total $31.97, and we have a 5-off 20 that works for Charmin on Coupon 24. It's a digital coupon from Coupon 24. So with that applying and a $2 digital coupon for the Dawn, you pay $24.97, get back your $10 extra buck, making all three products just $14.97. The Scott 1000 toilet paper are on sale for $9.99 and spend $20, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab two totaling $19.98 and use a $1 off one digital coupon. You'd pay $18.98, get back that $5 extra buck since we do qualify with the 98% rule. And that would make two of the Scott 1000 toilet paper just $13.98 or $6.99 each. Again, this week we have the Real Techniques and Eco Tools that are spend $15, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab one of these brush sets at $14.99. You'd pay that, get back your $10 extra buck, making one just $4.99. And if you have a % off CRT, you can use that and it'd make it even cheaper. Maybelline Cosmetics are buy two, get back a $6 extra buck. So you can grab two of the Great Lash mascaras at $8.59 each. Two of those would total $17.18. And you can use a 3-off 15 Maybelline CRT and a $4 Maybelline CRT that everyone got this week. You'd be left to pay $10.18. Getting back the $6 extra buck would make two of these just $4.18 or just $2.09 each. And I know a lot of people are brand loyal to Great Lash, so this is a really great deal. Another way that you can do the Maybelline deal is grabbing two of the baby lips at $5.79, totaling $11.58, and use the $4 instant CRT. You'd pay $7.58 and then earn back your $6 extra buck for buying two Maybelline products, making your final cost just $1.58 for two of the baby lips. NYX Cosmetics are buy two, get back a $6 extra buck. So you could grab two of the lip liners. They're priced between like $5 and $6. And you can use a 2-off 10 NYX CRT and get back the $6 extra buck, which would make it a really great deal for stocking up on NYX lip liners. These lip liners are some of my favorite drugstore lip liners. The General Mills cereal are on sale for $1.99 each, so what you can do is grab two of them totaling $3.98, and you can use $1 off two digital coupons, so you'd pay $2.98, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on two boxes, and that would make your final cost just $1.98 for two or 99 cents each. Another way that you could do the deal is by grabbing four of them totaling $7.96. You can use two separate $1 off two digital coupons, so you'd be left to pay $5.96. You can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on two, and you can submit to Fetch for 1,000 points back on four boxes. That's like $1 back on Fetch, and that would make your final cost just $3.96 for four boxes or 99 cents each. And I'll make sure to have Fetch linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $2 bonus using that link. For my first transaction this week, I did do the Venus cartridge deal. So it was $33.49. I used my $7 digital coupon on my 6-off 24 CRT, and I paid just $20.49 out of pocket and then got back my $10 extra buck. So that made this just $10.49, which is a great deal for a 6-count refill box. Okay, next I did my rolling extra bucks transaction. So I first grabbed one of the Eco Tools brush set. It was marked at $14.99, but it actually rang up for $15.49. And then I got back my $10 extra buck, which made it just $5.49. And then I'm going to roll the $10 extra buck into the next transaction. In my next transaction, I did two of the Maybelline Great Lash. I used my $4 CRT and the 3-off 15 CRT, and I used my $10 in extra bucks from the first transaction, paid just 18-cent subtotal, and then got back my $6 extra buck. So that was a really great rolling transaction. It ended up making the net cost like $4.18. Then I rolled my $6 extra buck into this Degree transaction, used my 3-off 2 digital coupon and the $6 extra buck, paid just my 43-cent subtotal, and then got back my $4 extra buck for buying 2 Degree products. So super low out of pocket for rolling, and it had like a $2.43 net cost. And finally, for my last transaction, I grabbed the Persil, used my $3 digital, and rolled the $4 extra back in and paid nothing out of pocket. So that made the net cost for this transaction just $3.99, but nothing out of pocket with rolling. So let me know if you guys enjoyed the CVS deals video. Please leave this video a like and a comment if it was helpful. And make sure to catch my live next Saturday. I'll be live Saturday evening, and I'll catch you guys in next week's deals video for week 2 of the ad.